Hey everybody, Tim here, GraymanPOTA, amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Well, it is a beautiful, whopping, 22 degrees out. We're in the middle of a Snowapocalypse of 2025. And what do? Well, I decided to go out and activate a park.
In fact, this is a look at live Doppler 13 radar. Here's where the heavier snow is falling. Greenfield over to Knightstown, Rushville over to Franklin, Trafalgar, and Nineveh. Hope is getting some heavier snow, as is Columbus. In fact, that's right over downtown Columbus, and that stretches towards the IU campus in Bloomington.
I am out here at the Morgan Monroe State Forest. I'm up on top of the ridge. I don't know if you guys can see outside, but it's snowing. Drove around a little bit and ran into some other people that were probably bored like I was, and they were out driving their Jeeps in the snow. I'm out here in the Bronco. Please, if you've got a vehicle that is not capable of bad weather like this, off-roading, things like that, I'd probably stay indoors. But you know what? I've got one that I can get out and do it. So that's where I'm at. But hey, today we were going to get on the park, or get on the air, and do a quick activation. I did have some people reach out to me in the last couple videos and said, hey, what application are you using on your MacBook? Well, I'm using Polo, portable logger. And you're asking yourself, well, I thought that was a portable logger. Couldn't run it on a computer. Well, yes and no. Yes, it is a portable logger. Can you run it on your computer? No. But the caveat is if you have an Apple MacBook, an Apple computer that uses one of the Apple processors, the M series processors, you can run the iPad version of that application on your MacBook. I'm going to operate on 20 meters. It is about 5 o'clock in the evening, so 10 and some of those bands are going to start dropping out. So 20 meters is still viable while the sun is up here to get some distance. So just looking through the logging spotting page right now, or the spots that are coming into Polo. And by the way, if you're interested in learning how to use Polo, check out this video right up here. I shot a full kind of tutorial of how to use this out in the field, but I'm going to zip through here real quick. It looks like basically everything under 14215 is open. Ideally, I want to use a frequency that is not being used by another POTA activator. So like I said, everything lower than 14215 seems to be open. So I'm going to find a frequency in here. 14187 does not sound like there's any activity on there, so of course I will enter that into my logging program, so I'm ready to rock and roll. And nobody responds to me. I've got a brand new FT891 here, and this mic cable is very tight. So, is this frequency in use? November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Is this frequency in use? November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air from US 4215, the Morgan Monroe State Forest. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Kilo 8, Oscar Juliet Romeo.
Kilo 8, Oscar Juliet Romeo. OJ 59 in the park.
QSL, thank you for the 5-9. You're 5-9 in South Central North Carolina.
All right, thanks to 5-9 into North Carolina. You have a Happy New Year in 73.
Happy New Year, 73.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
November 3, X-Ray Lima Sierra.
November 3, X-Ray Lima Sierra. Joe, 5-9 in the park today.
5-9 Pennsylvania, 73.
All right, 73, my friend. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ. Station ending in Alpha Tango.
Kilowatt Bravo 2 Alpha Tango.
Kilo Bravo 2 Alpha Tango. Christopher, 5-9 in the park.
QSL, so you're 5-9 Southern New Jersey.
All right, thanks to 5-9 into New Jersey, my friend. Have a happy New Year in 73.
Same to you, my friend. Thank you.
All right, thank you. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo Yankee 4 Hotel Victor.
Kilo Yankee 4, Hotel Victor. Chris, 5-9 in the park.
QSL got you 5555 North Alabama, Tim.
All right, thanks to 5-5 in Alabama, my friend. Have a happy New Year in 73.
73.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Bravo.
Station ending in Bravo.
Kilo 0 Bravo Hotel Bravo.
Kilo 0 Bravo Hotel Bravo. Bruce, 5-9 in the park.
QSL, you're 5-9. Nice signal. All these solar flares going by. You keep warm now. I'm calling from Minneapolis.
All right, thanks to the 5-9 from Minneapolis, my friend. Yeah, I am trying to stay warm. It's about 22 degrees out right now, so not too bad. Hey, have a happy New Year in 73, my friend.
73.
All right, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Oscar. November 4 Bravo.
Station starting with Alpha.
Alpha Charlie 5 Oscar 5-9 Louisiana.
Alpha Charlie 5 Oscar. Jeffrey, copy the 5-9 Louisiana, my friend. You're also 5-9 here in the park.
73.
All right, 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Park to park.
Park to Park Station, go ahead.
Park to park. Kilo 4 Juliet Charlie.
Kilo 4 Juliet Charlie. You are 5-9 into my park 4215. QSL.
USL got the 5-9. You're also 5-9 into US 3659 QSL.
All right, I copied the 5-9 into park Uncle Sam 3659, my friend. You have a happy New Year and a great activation today in 73.
Yeah, 73. Have fun.
All right, thank you. Was there another park to park station?
Park to park. Kilo Bravo 5 Sierra Alpha Victor.
You are 5-1, into my park.
QSL, I got you good 5-6 here. US 4069 or US 4069 here in Lima Alpha, Louisiana. QSL.
Roger. Did you say 5-3 into park 4069?
5-6.
All right, I copied the 5-6 into park 4069 4069. And my friend, hey, have a great activation today. A happy New Year in 73.
Happy New Year to you. Have fun out there, 73.
All right, thank you. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Whiskey 4 Zulu Delta Papa.
Whiskey 4 Zulu Delta Papa. Bill, 5-9 in the park.
Okay, Roger the 5-9. Also 5-9 here at Gulf Alpha, Georgia.
All right, thanks to 5-9 into Georgia, my friend. You have a happy New Year in 73.
Happy New Year in 73.
All right, thank you. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Alpha Delta 2, Charlie Delta.
Uniform India.
Alpha Delta 2 Charlie Delta. Toby, 5-9 in the park.
59 New Jersey, Tim, thanks, 73.
All right, 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
November 1, Oscar Golf.
November 1 Oscar Golf. Paul, 5-9 in the park.
Yeah, Roger that, Tim. You got a fantastic signal, 5-9 into southern New Hampshire today.
All right, thanks to 5-9 into New Hampshire, my friend. You have a happy New Year in 73.
73, you as well.
All right, thank you. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot going QRT. All right, well, just like that, 25 contacts. Well, actually 24. I already had one sitting in there. 17 minutes or less of operating time. Got the park activated. It is colder than a mofo out here. I don't run the truck when I'm operating the radio. Now I've got the radio. We'll actually kind of probably get into a little bit more about that. I'm doing some power related stuff with batteries, external batteries, not the vehicle batteries, doing HF, and also the ability to charge solar. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I make that video. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. Great activation. Snowapocalypse of 2025. I don't know. It's a bunch of hooey. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Speaking of subscribing, we did hit our 3,000 subscriber mark. So make sure you get entered into the giveaway. I will link a video right up there. And I will put it down in the description on how you can get registered for that giveaway. I'm going to hang tight for a couple more weeks so that way more people can register. I will be giving away the 5.5 amp hour prison edition of the Denko battery which is a very rare and only a few of them out in the wild. So you can be one of those few that has one of those batteries. So until we have an opportunity to meet on the air, I have a video right over here that you might be interested in.